gorgeous 3 bedrooms condo. Move-in condition. Low price, low property taxes. Garage for 2 cars. Close to everything. Monthly maintenance fee includes heat and water. Walking distance to New York City train station. Border with South Orange Village. To get there, just take Scotland Road to Randall Place. Make a right to Vos Avenue. For any further information, contact Miriam at 848-248-0274.